The early signs of type 2 diabetes are easily noticeable, and you can prevent the disease from progressing if you take required actions immediately. Increased thirst. If you had been feeling thirsty more than usual, then it can be a glaring symptom of type 2 diabetes. In such a condition, you may feel thirsty even when you just drank water. Drinking more water leads to more urination and feeds to the urination cycle. The reason why you feel thirsty is that your body loses additional water when it removes the excess sugar from the blood. Blurred vision. The eye lens is a flexible membrane surrounded by muscles that keep changing the lens to focus. These tiny blood vessels in the eyes can be damaged by the excessive levels of sugar in the blood. People with type 2 diabetes experience blurry vision in one or both eyes, which may come and go frequently. When the body adapts to the sugar levels, the vision becomes normal again. If you experience blurriness that dissolves after some time, see a doctor right away, because if you ignore the condition for a long period of time, it can put you at risk of fatal conditions such as blindness. Wounds. When your body has too much sugar level, it can result in damaged blood vessels and nerves. This impairs and slows the flow of blood, and even the small wounds take time to heal. These wounds and cuts that heal slowly can increase the chances of getting infection too. People with type 2 diabetes often get blisters and ulcers in their feet, which takes a lot of time to heal and can result in fatal complications. Do not ignore this sign, because prolonged abnormal sugar levels can cause damage to your immune system, which makes it hard for your body to fight infections. Fatigue. With a busy lifestyle and heavy workload, feeling tired is quite common, but if you feel tired and exhausted constantly if you haven't done any physical activity, then it can be a warning sign of type 2 diabetes. In such cases, do not ignore this symptom, as it can lead to other health issues. Fatigue is the result of insufficient sugar moving from the bloodstream into the cells of the body. Weight loss. Any unexplained weight loss is a reason for concern and calls for an immediate examination. People with type 2 diabetes lose weight really fast because their cells do not get enough glucose, and the body burns muscle and fat to get energy. Also, when they urinate more frequently, they tend to lose water and more calories from the body, which eventually results